I basically almost just killed myself.
Yeah, here in Derby, instead of going snowboarding, you decided to try and go down a river.
I was like, hey, it's snowing, there's some powder, I'm just going to go like, you know, a metre off the run here to the right, and someone else has already tracked it out, so that means it must be cool. And I did it, and I went over a ridge, and then as I was, you know, pushing down on my left foot as I go over the Mowgli roller thing, I realised I was pushing myself down into a river.
Yeah.
I saw a rock, I didn't know what to do, I jumped as hard as I possibly can, and now my heart is over 100. I thought I was going to die.
And you didn't have your armbands.
Woo! No.
Yeah,
Oh dear.
That was interesting.
Yeah, I mean that gets you going. I was a little bit tired.
Yeah.
Not so much anymore.
I mean, I could have stopped and made sure that you were okay, but
no. Zero forgiven.
I just kept going.
Yeah, thanks for that. Yeah, appreciate it.
Cool.
Yeah, just Kieran might be late to say, why is that?
He's dead.
Messing around the rivers and stuff.
Yeah. He's yeah.
Well, that's fun.
What's a nice pogo?
Yeah. It's gonna get riding tomorrow this morning for fun.
Yeah. You're gonna wait for me first.
Yeah, and then fun.
Yeah.
Am I gonna wait for you?
Well, you could go and do a few laps, but come back at we've got to come back at 9:45.
Yeah. Yeah, I've got to come back at 9:45. Well, on the plus side, I wrote a lesson plan this morning at 6:55.
Yeah.
Because I have a private in the afternoon and I didn't really know what I was going to do with them. I did a lot yesterday and they're like, we want to be challenged, but every time I tried to challenge them yesterday, they're like, nah, that's not for us. I was like, okay. So I've decided I'm going to do some sliding 360s with them because we didn't do that yesterday. Show them the snowboard graveyard.
Teach them how to ollie.
Teach them how to ride a T-bar.
Teach them how to ollie.
They're not interested.
Or teach them how to do a tail press then.
They're not really interested in the tricks. I tried this yesterday.
Teach them how to do a jump.
Again, tried this yesterday.
Just take them through the trees then.
We got them from greens to blues, they're happy doing blues, and they're like, we need to be pushed. And I was like, okay, well let's go round this tree. We don't want to go in the trees. Well, we're not going in the trees, we're just going round one tree.
Yeah.
And then one guy was like, yeah, all right. And then I brought them to like 3 moguls, just the end, and I was like, here, see if we can do 2 turns here. One guy did it, the other guy was close enough. I was like, sweet, yeah.
Just take them to in secret, they'll be fine.
That's where we were, this did the last little bit. Just came in, last little bit, come out. I think we're going to the Enchanted Forest.
Yeah.
Trees are small.
If they can ride the
terrain
T-bar.
is flat. If they can ride T-bar, yeah. I can bring one of them up, can't I? Anyway, see what happens.
Yeah.
Enjoy your day, Ben.
Bad.
So this is which is really good if you're like beginner into like trees. Very hard not to the camera. Down here. Faster through there, I think. We live in land. Snow on the camera as well, which is not ideal. Oops, a bit more. That was hella fun. Like, oh my god. I wanted to go more into the trees, but it's not as powdery as I thought. So maybe if it keeps snowing, I'll get a little bit about later on. But having a highway to myself, oh, it's just so good. And then even, is that like freeway or shortcut or something, whatever that is down there, even having that to myself, oh, it's just so good. Like, I don't have to worry about other people. I want to have a look at my run on that one there, because I was trying to do what they said in the carving course. Instead of trying to change edge towards the end, if I change edge in the middle and allow it to run towards the edge, then I stay inside the piece and I'm still using all the slope. I'm just changing edge a little bit earlier and higher up. And I think I got faster near the bottom, I think I was doing unweighted turns. Maybe, I don't know. I think I definitely was on my toe side. I just want to see what it looks like. It's my surfboard here. Oh, it's so clean as well. So good. So update. I've got 9 days left till my park exam. I have 2 night parks that I can go to, Friday and Saturday, just tomorrow and the next day. I have 3 of those days off, but I sort of ruined one because I got private, so that only gives me 2. And I have a slight, I don't know what the right word is. I haven't pulled a muscle, maybe stretched the muscle on my left here. So I noticed yesterday when I was trying to do some jumps, it was a little bit trying to get up. But they've made 2 extra jumps in the park, so now every run I do is going to be double the amount. Instead of having 2 jumps, we've got 4. So that means double the practice, which is good. So we shall see what happens. Let's see what time it is. I think I might ride International under the chairlift. And then we might do some of these trees here, I think. I don't know, I don't know, it looks a bit hard. It's not the fluffy fluff I was expecting. No, it just looks hard. That's okay. I think it's because it's like -17, it's like freezing and making it hard rather than having that soft stuff we had before. But yeah. If I can pass this park 1, that's everything I wanted to do this season and more, technically. Because it means we got our CADS 1 ski. We actually done skiing lessons. They're now skiing like blues and more parallel and going off jumps apparently, if a 7-year-old tells me to. We did the carpet course, which was on the list. We sorted out our back ones. We just need to do them in the park now. What else? Yeah, the park 1, and then we're good to go. I probably should have done the ped when everyone else did it. But I think it was a lot of money. I think I'm going to do this up in order. We do the park 1 first. The ped will be fine. Yeah. Cool. I'm going to put it this way now.